Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun products to share with you today, including 2 items that I used for my twins' birthday party, including this cute 5x7 barn fold-it. Isn't it absolutely adorable? I designed this and I didn't use it as a fold-it for their party. Instead, I put it on a candy dish. So it was on the front of the fun candy dish and it was so adorable. So we're releasing the 5x7 barn. We are also releasing this adorable little piggy, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Absolutely adorable. And you know what? Let me show you this because it's so darn cute. You can put her on a 5x7 card if you want to. Look at that. But she also makes an adorable, absolutely positively adorable little fold-it. Look how cute she is. You are amazing. Isn't she adorable? I love her. Now I have lots more samples, don't worry. We're also releasing this interesting stitched background die. And at first I was like, this is gonna be really interesting to see what the design team does with it. Look at this, you guys. When I saw this, I'm like, okay, yeah, I got it. Look at this, gorgeous background, completely subtle, but when you ink the edges, it pops off the card. It's these fun little swirls that are stitched, and let me just tell you, they're absolutely gorgeous. Look at it on this card. This is using our new bride and groom wedding dies, but look in the background. You can just see it just adds a little tiny bit of subtleness that is absolutely gorgeous. Now, last but not least, we are releasing a Let's Get Together card front. Now the card fronts have been so popular, right? Because look, this one is a square, let's get together. But you guys, do not limit yourself to that square, because drop it in instead on an A2 size card front, and now it's A2 size. 2 different options here. You could also do it on an A7 card, a 5x7 card. The outside die cuts the square, but there's 2 dies here. The inside die can go on any size card you want it to go on. Do not limit yourself to the small square card. You can also do the larger cards. Isn't that gorgeous? I know, it's stunning. Let's jump in and look at all our awesome samples. So here's a fun one. Using, Cheryl made this one using her 3D inks. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that background. Isn't it gorgeous? It's just a little tiny subtle. Here's another one. Using our wedding, oh my goodness, Sheila went crazy with all our fun wedding dies. Look at all of these, gorgeous. To have and to hold, happily ever after. Here's another one, Cheryl made this one. Just married, so gorgeous, happily ever after on the inside. But that stunning background just adds just a little touch of gorgeous, right? Here's another cute one, using it for a flip it card. So die cut it first as the stitched items, then die cut it again to make your flip it sized backgrounds. Isn't that gorgeous? I know, and it's fun because with the little dragonflies, it looks like they're flying away. I love it. Now here's another example of the square on an A2 size card. Here's another one, a square on an A2 size card, or the square on a 5x7. But don't forget, you're not limited to just the square. Put it on an A2 size card if you want to. Isn't that gorgeous? Let's get together for a cup of coffee. Yum, right? Love it. Now, I know some of you are thinking, well, do I really need a barn fold-it? And I understand, you know, do you necessarily need a barn fold-it? But when I show you my samples, you guys are gonna fall over. Are you ready? Look at this, birthday hugs, absolutely adorable. Look at how gorgeous this is. That cute little kitty is just waving to you from our mailbox stamp set. Or look at this one, using our brick stencil on that barn. Look at those cute little chicks. Look at all that 3D ink Cheryl added on there. You spring chicken, happy birthday. Isn't that adorable? I absolutely love that. That's using the farm animal stamps and dies. Or go old school. It's fun when I can tell who made these, huh? Yvette made this one. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that look. It's more of a subtle old rustic type look. You know, the farmhouse look is so popular. Here's another one that totally you would not think of as like a real, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that one. And here's another one. Let's do a yellow barn, right? So many options. So look, you have yellow, you have red and white, you have rustic, you have red and brown and black. or you have red and white and a little bit of light brown. So many different options. Now, let's look at our cute little piggies. Oh, so now these piggies, see, I have the tearing on the background because these also I made really, really quick for their little, I think this one went on the box that held their forks and spoons for everybody at the party. But I made these cute little guys just for that. Look at them, they're so cute, and it got torn because I had to tear them back off the package. Okay, look how cute, or you could do a purple pig. Oh, isn't that adorable? Or here's a cute one. Again, that picket fence slimline, probably the most popular slimline we have because it's so versatile. Now this is a cute, oh, let me save that one for last. Here's a cute one, all decorated and ready to go. Cheryl's got all her 3D ink on there. Look how gorgeous that is. She's so cute. Now this one, Yvette was smart because she put a little Post-it note on it so I would know. So she has two different sides here, and you can kind of guess where this is going right now, right? On your dishwasher, double-sided, look how cute this is. She laminated it and put a magnet in the inside. There's actually two magnets I feel on the inside. So when the dishwasher's dirty, it says dirty. Flip it over and now it says clean. Right? Right? Isn't that the most awesome thing you've ever seen in your life? Oh my goodness, and she laminated it. It's perfect. Oh, and then Michelle made this cute little stuffy out of this little guy. Isn't this little guy adorable? Love them. So much fun, you guys. Club members, come on, you know the deal. 15 to 20% off the entire website, anytime, any day, every day, as long as you're a club member. It's not off your first purchase. It's off every purchase, including flash sale prices. You get the double discounts. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Check it out. Also, all of these items are on our website in the idea gallery. So go check those out as well. You can favorite them. You can print them. You can check them out and go, oh, like I do. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.